शिरवोडे एसएजी रेसिंग क्लब दी गोवा MX स्टोरान शेरिल सिक्वेराच्या यादीन सुपरक्रॉस गोय हो इव्हेंट आयोजित केला। 1 जानेवारीक मडगाव सिवरेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटा कडेन हो इव्हेंट जातलो। शिरवोडेच्या रेसिंग क्लब दी गोवा हांणी 1 जानेवारीक सांजेच्या 4 वरां सावन शिरवोडे नावेली लागसर आयोजित केल्ल्या फेडरेशन ऑफ मोटर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब ऑफ इंडिया खाला शेरिल सिक्वेरा मेमोरियल सुपरक्रॉस सर्त जातली। हे सर्तीन पहिलेच खेपे 5 बायलां सयत सुमार 50 भारतीय रायडर्स आपली कुशळटाय सिद्ध करतले।
Without you people, we are not able to sort of bring the whole concept of supercross racing within India, and I'm sure you will help us in making it more reachable to the youngsters. Thank you, Sequeira Club, for having us here. It's an honor for us to be part of this event.
The youngest rider, 6-year-old Ritin Sai of Coimbatore, will participate in the junior under 10 class, along with 4 riders. The junior under 14 class 8 will feature 5 riders. A special feature between the races and freestyle show by the world-class stunt riders Thomas, all the way from Austria, and Mr. Sebastian, all the way from Finland.
First, and thanks also for the club and FXR to put out possibilities to have this kind of event here in Goa. I've been visiting a few times here, just watching around and enjoying the place, so I can't wait to see the vibe of this event later, the 1st of January. So really looking forward to see all the national racing and a world-class show.
Joseph, what do you say?
Yeah, we are building some ramps and landing there today, and we will try to make a good show there and hope the people will like it.
GOA365 खातीर संदीप तुवेकार, गौतमी गांवकार आणि संगीता ओली।